Anti-aging exercises. The health benefits of exercise never go away as you age. If maintaining your independence and health as you age is important to you, it's a good idea to concentrate on a variety of activities that promote strength, balance, and mobility. Frequent exercise might also be the difference between needing help or not and depending on others for everyday tasks. In actuality, your exercise regimen might need to change slightly from what it did when you were younger. Maintaining your physical fitness as you age can be facilitated by engaging in anti-aging workouts. Being physically active can help you prevent age-related issues like osteoarthritis and elevated cholesterol. But staying in shape doesn't need you to bench press your body weight. Continue watching this video to discover about anti-aging exercise and productive activities that will transform your appearance and make you look younger and healthier, all the way down to the cellular level if you're ready to actually reverse the effects of aging on. Squats. Squats are great for maintaining your youth. You are toning every area of your body by doing this, but especially your quadriceps, hamstrings, hips, and glutes. It therefore fortifies the core of your body. These workouts also help to raise your coordination and balance. Additionally, squats increase bone density, which slows down the aging process. 2. Walking. Walking is a weight-bearing exercise that enables you, or rather, compels you, to perform against the surrounding natural gravity, despite the fact that it may appear like a fairly frequent exercise. Your muscles and bones gain as a result. Consequently, the body's general functionality is maximized. 3. Climbing stairs. Take a climb up some steps to give your lower body a serious workout. This is a simple exercise that targets every muscle in your lower body. This involves the hamstrings, glutes, quadriceps, and calves. The best part is that your bones and joints will become stronger as you go in this activity. This age-reversing exercise can help you maintain a better degree of endurance as you age. 4. High-impact movements. This is a kind of physical movement that should be done even though it isn't a specific exercise. When you look into how exercise can cure aging, you'll find that most experts advise doing high-impact exercises. They consist of leaping, stepping with vigor, and making overall exaggerated motions. Your bones will get denser if you make sure to engage in high-impact exercises every day. 5. Aerobic exercise. Do you shudder when you think about aerobic activity that moves quickly? You'll grimace at the loss in your health that will come from not doing it. This kind of aerobic activity will help your heart, circulation, and brain function well, all of which are essential for staying youthful. 6. Resistance training. Resistance training is the best option if you want to genetically turn back the hands of time. This kind of workout maximizes your endurance level and strengthens your muscles. You can incorporate dumbbells, weights, bars, bands, and other comparable equipment into your regular exercise routine. 7. Reaction training. Reaction training is the next anti-aging activity. Examples include participating in Zumba, Smart Fit training, or a sport like tennis. Your physique, your response time, your memory, and your capacity to change course, while keeping your balance all increase as a result. As a matter of fact, exercise is medicine. It's the best category of medication. You should prioritize physical activities that challenge both your body and intellect. That workout will stop the aging process when you perform it. Hope this video helped. Thanks for watching.